Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am finally decorating my house for fall. I am so excited. I have a candle burning right now and it just smells like pumpkin scrumptiousness. And I'm so excited to finish and I get to enjoy a nice relaxing fall home. I posted a video last Monday of a little fall haul. If you guys would like to check that out, I will have it linked up top for you guys so you can just go ahead and click on it. It does show you guys a little bit of the fall items that I did purchase for this year. Like I mentioned in that video, I have used a lot of old decorations from previous years because I just like my fall decorations and they are, you know, a little bit pricey, so I always want to keep using the same decorations each year, but I did buy new stuff for this year too. I do want to mention as well that you will see me in a few different outfits. It did take me a while to decorate my house. I broke it up into a couple of days just so it was fun for me to keep doing it. I didn't want to get tired, and when, you know, I had to cook dinner or assist with Adalynne, I had to stop and then I would just put it away for the night. So that's why you will see me in a couple different outfits through this video as well. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's just go ahead and start decorating.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose, each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Season. Just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Season.
So all I